Hi everyone and welcome to Bogotá. I am Natalie Gonzalez and I love have the opportunity to share with you some of the most special places in my city. Let's start our tour at Monserrate, an spectacular mountain that towers over Bogotá. Bogotanos and foreigners love climb up there because you get an incredible view of the city. Plus, from up there, it feels like we are touching the stars all the time. There's the Plaza de Bolívar, the historic heart of Bogotá. This is a very important place for all the Colombians, and the plaza is surrounded by iconic buildings and has the Primada Cathedral and the National Capitol, and some restaurants where you can try all the typical food of the region. Now we are going to the neighborhood called Candelaria. Is the oldest neighborhood of Bogota with its cobblestone streets and colorful houses. The Candelaria is the perfect place to experience the history and the culture of the city. Here are some of them our most famous museums, such as Gold Museum, Botero Museum, and the Independence Museum. About its gastronomy, we know that Bogota is the ideal place to try all the traditional flavors of Colombia. One of the most iconic dishes is ajiaco. Ajiaco is a delicious soup with chicken, three types of potatoes, and a herb called huasca. It is served with corn and cream and capers and avocado and rice too. This dish is special for the cold weather in Bogota. In addition to its food, Bogota celebrates its culture with many incredible festivities. For example, in August, the fiestas of Bogota fill the city with concert paradise to celebrate its anniversary in Simon Bolivar Park. We have every 2 years we have the Ibero-American Theater Festival, which bring us talent from over the world, and also the famous Rock al Parque, the largest free rock festival in Latin America. At the summer, and we have too the summer festival. There are activities for all the family, activities from sports to outdoor events. These events give Bogota a very special and festival touch. I want to thank you, all of you, for joining me to this quick tour of Bogota. Bogota is a city full of life, history, and culture, and you are always welcome. Thank you.